Hello guys, I'm going to show you 4 different ways you can run Python on your computer. The first way you can run Python is by using the idle when installing Python. It's part of the installation. If you've already installed Python, you can go to your search, open your idle. Then once the idle is open, in this case we use the print function to just print. Welcome to Python programming. Then we execute the code. So this is the first way you can run Python. The second way you can run Python is by using the command prompt. You run it as administrator. Then you navigate to the path where I've installed Python. I've installed Python on my C. Let me clear the screen and type Python version space dash version. If you see the version of Python, it means Python is installed on your system path, and start running Python by typing Python. Here you can type some Python code using a simple print function. You can also run Python by calling the file you've created. I've created a file in my text editor. This file, I've called it welcome.py, and I've saved it in my C. This is the path where I've installed Python. You can call this file on the command prompt to run Python. And the third way of running Python on your computer is by using a Jupyter Notebook. Type your Python code. This is what is called a cell. You can add a cell above by pressing this plus, or you can add a cell below by pressing this plus. Or delete a cell by using the delete button. In Jupyter Notebook, you can type your Python code and execute. Then to execute, you click on the run button. You see code as executed. This is how you can run Python using Jupyter Notebook. And the fourth method of running Python on your computer is by installing Visual Studio Code. Download the version for your operating system. So I'm downloading the version for Windows. I'm installing the downloaded. Installation is taking place, and click on finish. Once installation is done, VS Code window is open. Installation is done and my VS window is open. There's a terminal you can use in VS Code by navigating to the top menu. On the 3 dots there, when you click, you see there's a terminal you can run by clicking on terminal. Click on new, the terminal open, and then navigate to the drive where you have installed your Python. Then you can type your Python code the same way we did when using the command prompt to run Python. Then whilst in VS Code, you have to install a Python extension for Microsoft. So here we are just running the code using the VS Code here. Welcome to Python programming. So run the code using the terminal. Install the Python extension for Microsoft. Another way you can run Python in VS Code is by installing the Python extension for Microsoft. By going here, we click on extensions and type Python by Microsoft. Then you filter. The version we are looking for is this version. This is what we are looking for, written Microsoft. Install. Installation is done. I'll create a Python file. Then you can save the created file. I'll give it a title. This is my Python file where I can write my Python code. Write some Python code. You click on run. See the outcome at the bottom here. Welcome to Python programming. In the terminal below, there are 4 ways you can run Python on your computer. Choose the method which works best for you. Thanks for watching. Look out for more videos.